Thankfully, we didn't see a lot of damage from Hurricane Matthew.
But many people had a long day of cleaning up and taking down their shutters.
Oh, yes.
Local 10's Jeff Wines here continues our live team coverage from Fort Lauderdale. Jeff.
Calvin, the cleanup for most non-existent. In fact, things quickly back to normal. I want to show you what is going on right now on Fort Lauderdale Beach. Cafes are opened. People are out and about. Parts of the Deerfield Beach Pier shut down today. The railing ripped off, pieces of the wooden flooring popped off. All a result of storm surge. Waves as high as 20 feet pounded the Deerfield Beach Pier. And this afternoon, as residents on 37th Avenue and Lauderdale Lakes were removing plywood from their windows, there was a bang, a smell of smoke, a gust of wind causing a tree branch to come in contact with a live power line, the arcing line coming down on a cable line, causing a shed to catch fire. The electrified cable line caused cable boxes on the outside of 5 homes to smolder. The fires were put out. No one was injured. And in Dania Beach this morning, residents a mile away from the beach took what they had put up down.
We're very relieved. We were up all night in case things would change drastically.
Just a couple of hours of work instead of, you know, you have a family, you got to keep them safe and do what you need to do. And yeah, I'm okay with taking it down, all this stuff down today.
And everybody we talked to said they would do the same thing again. Shutter up no matter what. If you still have not taken down your shutters, be careful. ERC, a whole lot of injuries at this point. I can tell you from personal experience, wear gloves, wear long pants, because a lot of those shutters are razor sharp. We're live on Fort Lauderdale Beach. I'm Jeff Wines here, Local 10 News.
Some great advice. Okay, Jeff, thanks a lot.